Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to link cells in different Excel sheets. First, open your Excel workbook. You will need at least 2 sheets to demonstrate this process effectively. We will start by understanding the fundamental method of creating a direct cell reference. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building more complex connections later on. Let's dive right in. To manually link a cell, begin by selecting the cell where you want the linked data to appear. Next, type an equals sign, which signals to Excel that you are entering a formula. Then, click on the tab of the sheet containing the data you wish to link. Finally, click the specific source cell and press Enter. This creates a direct, dynamic link. You can also incorporate sheet references into more advanced formulas. For example, to sum values from another sheet, you would type equals sum, open parenthesis, then navigate to the source sheet and select your desired range. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. This allows for powerful calculations across your entire workbook, integrating data seamlessly from various locations. For best practices, always name your sheets clearly. This makes referencing much simpler and reduces errors. Be mindful of circular references, which occur when a formula refers back to its own cell, causing calculation issues. Excel typically warns you about these. Also, use the Go to Special feature to quickly locate all cells containing formulas that link to other sheets. This helps with auditing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.